Good morning to everyone. I'm Shivani, a first-year student at School of Arts and Sciences here at Sai University. I'm planning to do a minor in computing and data science. So I assumed it would take me some time to get used to SaiU because of the unfamiliar surroundings. Transitioning from school to university wasn't easy for me or anyone here. So I must admit that it didn't feel as good as SaiU over here because I felt like I was going somewhere entirely different. Then right from the start, it felt like a community, as if I actually belonged here. Everyone in this place feels like family to me, whether it's my seniors, the faculty, or even my fellow peers from my batch. So it never occurred to me that I had to act like someone I'm not. It always felt like I had to be myself. Being myself is like something that I'm proud of right now here. I've always been interested in research, and that's one of the main reasons I chose to minor in computing and data science. It's such a powerful combination, especially when it comes to psychology, when I'm deeply passionate about that. Data science gives me lots of tools to ask questions, which makes me think more importantly, to understand concepts and dig deeper into the kind of topics I want to explore in my research. The variety of psychology courses is something I like here. There's a wide range to choose from, like consumer psychology, applied psychology, social psychology, and all of that. More importantly, I have the opportunity to take different schools within Sai University, in addition to the ones I need for my major. The flexibility allows me to find my passion. Sai University is more than just academics, in my opinion. It's about being surrounded by individuals who sincerely want us to succeed and thrive and make us feel seen. As if you develop a great sense of individuality, identity after you graduate in the end of the day. I want to express my gratitude to the Dean of School in Arts and Sciences, the Vice Chancellor, the Deputy Vice Chancellor, and the Chancellor. I sincerely appreciate you for providing such a friendly and encouraging environment for students like me. Finally, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the parents and students who attended the open house today. Thank you.